The Ludwig van der Rohe-inspired high-rise incorporates modern architecture in its iconic Magnificent Mile location. The team of architects, lighting designers, and engineers of Canon Design used the signature red awning at the main entrance as an inspiration when redesigning and upgrading the Michigan Plaza lobby. The TLS illuminated fabric ceiling follows the curves of the red awning, and the custom chandelier emulates the bean in Millennium Park. The coordination and installation between PG Enlighten, TLS, and Canon Design brought to life an upgraded and inviting lobby space for this iconic Chicago building. The plaza connects to the Illinois Center and sits above the CTA underground transit and walkway system that sees an estimated 20,000 people a day.
Thanks, TLS, for partnering with P&G on the Michigan Avenue Lobby project.
We are Team TLS.
Thank you for the successful project.
It was great working with TLS.
We are Team TLS.